Thanks, Miss Anna. Hi, guys. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a kite. You're going to need some tissue paper, or you can use construction paper. If you need help with scissors, ask a grown-up to cut the shape of a diamond. Now, I'm going to use tissue paper and straws. You're going to need some glue. If you don't have glue, you can use tape or whatever you have around your house. So what we're going to do is we're just going to put some glue on trace the outside of the tissue paper with little drops of glue from corner to corner. And then we're going to make a big plus sign in the middle of our kite. Because when we think of springtime, we want to fly our kites. It's nice and breezy out. What we're going to do next is we're going to put our straws. I like to use the bendy straws because you can adjust them to the size that you need. Adjust means make big or little. And we're going to put them on just around the sides where the glue is. Just around the sides where the glue is. And you can cut them just in case they don't fit, or you can adjust them by pushing them in a little tiny bit to make them fit. I'm going to put one long one in the middle. And I have some shorter ones just to make extra room in case we need a little bit longer or a little bit shorter. And we're going to put those in the middle like that. And if you have to adjust your straw, you can use toothpicks, you can use popsicle sticks, you can use whatever you have around your house just to make a structure, just to make it stiff so that the kite stays in its shape. Then we're going to take a couple of shorter pieces of straw and put those on either side of the plus. To make it look like a plus symbol in the middle of the straw. Then we're going to need a few more short pieces just to make them long enough to fit. Once you're done with that, your kite should look like this on the inside and this on the outside. If it's a nice windy day, it might be light enough to fly. When you're done making your kite, you could take some masking tape, painter's tape, scotch tape, whatever kind of tape you have. Peel off a teeny tiny piece. Place it around the bottom. Ask a grown-up to poke a hole through the center and then add some string. And then you could take it outside if it's windy and see if it flies. If you want to make a decorative kite, just cut a piece of construction paper. Decorative means it will not fly. Take a piece of construction paper, cut some tissue paper, rip some tissue paper or some construction paper. Different colors, different shapes, different sizes. We went over circles, squares, rectangles, triangles. Put some dots of glue all over your kite. Put some shapes all over your kite. And then you can use beads. I like beads. And you can tape them to the bottom of your kite to make the string. And you can just tape them up in your window, tape them up on your door, just for some springtime decoration. So I hope you had fun with that, and I'm going to pass the ball to Miss Tanya. Here you go. Bye, guys.